Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the part 6 of our video series in which we are learning the names of various jobs, occupations and professions in Korean language. If you have not watched the first 5 parts yet, then you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. Now let's start with the 6th part. So here comes the first word, and that is the Korean word for baker, and it is 제빵사, 제빵사. Next comes the Korean word for cashier, and that is 졸라부원, 졸라부원. Now let's see how you are going to say businessman in Korean, and that is 사업가, 사업가. Next comes the Korean word for CEO, and that is very easy, 사장, 사장. Next, let's see the Korean word for bank clerk, and that is 은행원, 은행원. Now comes the Korean word for flight attendant, and that is 승무원, 승무원. Next comes the word for mechanic, and that is 정비사, 정비사. Next is the Korean word for housewife, and that is very easy, 주부, 주부. Now let's see how you are going to say model in Korean, and it is very easy being a loan word. Therefore, in Korean it is 모델, 모델. Next comes the Korean word for salesman, and that is 판매원, 판매원. Next, let's see the word for zookeeper in Korean, and that is 사육사, 사육사. Now comes the Korean word for principal or school principal, and that is 교장 선생님, 교장 선생님. Next comes the word for vice principal, and that is 교감 선생님, 교감 선생님. You can notice that there is a difference of just one syllable in the name of principal and vice principal, and that is, in case of principal it is 교장, and in case of vice principal it is 교감. Okay, so 장 for principal, 감 for vice principal. Remember that. Next comes the Korean word for magician, and that is 마술사, 마술사. Now let's see the Korean word for YouTuber, and that is YouTuber, YouTuber. Alright, so today we learned a few Korean words for different jobs, occupations and professions. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.